Okay, camping 101. Today we're going to talk about how we're going to keep continuous power while we're out camping using solar panels. Alright, so last time I showed you all the JSL-1250 from Smartech. And this is what we're going to use for generator power, electrical power, also 12V USB. Got jumper cables, air compressor, LED lights. And now, just to keep it charged, we're going to add a 60-watt portable solar panel. This is a VI or VV 60-watt portable solar panel. So here we have, this is where it's going to connect. These are the adapters. This is the connection from the solar panel to the generator. So one of the reasons I got this particular model was the fact of how it charges. It uses DC. So it's possibly going to be that white one right here without the pin. So let's go ahead and connect this here. Alright, so let's open them up. See it unfolds. There's the panels. You see how the kickstand back there? So it gives it a good angle. Right here you can see where it's actually charging the unit. So it's at 95%. And there you have it. That's how we're going to keep continuous power in the generator